ISL News has been telling you all to watch India Votes. But where can you watch it? On your phone, television, on Disney Hotstar. So log in with your ID, open the app, and then where do you watch India Votes? The first and most important thing you have to do is go to search. Over there, click on search and then type the name of the show, which is India Votes. And then you will get the options. Once you type India Votes, don't be confused. Make sure that you clearly see it. See, I'm showing it to you. See this? And see this. See, it's over here. See Indian Sign Language and then click and watch the sign language show. It is very interesting. Secondly, there is something else as well. See this. See? This is for 35 seconds and is a short teaser which is also translated in ISL. For the entire show with ISL, you need to watch this.